Hello everyone, welcome back to our Power BI session. I really hope that all of you are doing very well. So let's go ahead and start with our today's Power BI session. So in our today's session, we will start working with what we planned in our last session. So as per our plan, today we are going to discuss about a very common requirement that may come to us, but we can end up in a trouble if we don't know the solution, like how we can do that. So we don't come across such troubles. It's a good idea to work on it and be familiar with those things. So sometimes clients have a requirement that they want to see the data month wise or week wise. Okay, so here we will see that what is that challenge that I'm talking about. So for that, like I told you, that today also we will be using the same bar chart, that is clustered bar chart. So I will take it. Let me increase the size a little bit. So like I told you, month wise I am going to check the data. So here in the table currently I don't have any such column which is having month, which means I should have a column first. How I can create that? So it's very simple. I need to use my date column in order to get the month. So here on table I will do a right click and will select new column, and then I will be writing my logic, or I can say a dex command for it, which will be month. I am naming this field as month equals to, first of all I want to change or get a column which will give me the month names. Okay, so I will say format month, the date field, which is this one. You can see the table name and then the field name is coming. So I will select this, and then in this quoted strings I will be mentioning that I want it in MMM format. Okay. So now I have a month column with me which will be in a month format. Now some of you may question or may think why I didn't went to the Power Query editor and changed the format directly to the month format. Why I wrote this dex command. So here in case of Power BI, by using that values in Power Query, you can change it to date or date time format, or you can do such variations, but not directly the month. So here I preferred writing a text command. So now I am having a month column with me. So I am going to put it over here in my y-axis, and then I will be adding profit in my x-axis. Cool. So now we can see that we are getting the data by every month name: October, December, September, March, and also we are getting the profit. But there is one thing to note. If you see, then even though the data is fine, but the order that is coming for month is not fine, and in a basic order or a general standard, and even client also wants to have it in a proper order. So how can we do that? Can I apply sorting over here and it will work? Definitely it's not going to work. Why? Because if I will be applying the sort, then like here I am applying sort by month, and you can see that even though it is sorting, but it's not sorting in a month way. Instead it is sorting for me in a alphabetic order. Okay, so it is considering it as a text, not as a month. So in order to make it understand that I'm talking about month, what I need to do is I need to create one more new column. And what it would be? So here I will be taking the month number. So new column, and I will name it as month number equals to, and here I will use the next dex command, that will be month, enter, and then I will again give the same date field, and then I close this, enter. Cool. So now I am having my month number, but how month number will help me to get it in a proper order. So in order to do that, what I need to do is I need to select my month column on the rightmost side. I'll click over here. Okay, and then here you can see on the top that there is an option column total. Sorry, column 2. Okay, so I will click on column 2, and now sort by column. In this sort by column, I will select by month number. The new column that I just created, I will select month number. And now you can see the data got refreshed and the data is now coming in a sorted order or in the way it should be coming. So December, November, October. But right now you can see it is coming in a descending order. Like the 12th month is on the top and the first month is on the bottom. So if in case I want to change the order, that also I can do. For this I don't need to go over here. All I need to do is I need to go on my report. Sorry, here. So I need to go over this report, select it, sort axis. So here you can see it is sorted in descending order. So I will select it sort as ascending, and now you can see it is giving me the data in a proper way. Similarly, if same issue comes up in week also, you can handle it in this way. So this may sound like a small topic that I covered today, but yes, this is a issue that we might struggle in our project, and I thought that we should keep this topic also in our learning phase. So I hope you find this also useful, and maybe you find it useful in any project where you start working on, especially when working as a new developer. So if in case you have any issues related to it, please don't hesitate to ask. Thank you all for watching this video.